গুড ইভিনিং ফ্রেন্ডস, আমরা আজকের অনুষ্ঠান শুরু করতে চলেছি। অলরেডি আমরা 5:25 লেট হয়ে গেছে সমস্ত অ্যারেঞ্জ করতে। আজকে ডক্টর শ্যামল কুমার দাস, যিনি এটা পরিচালনা করবেন, কোভিড-19 যুদ্ধে জয়ী হবার যে কৌশল, দ্য স্ট্র্যাটেজি অফ টু উইন দ্য ব্যাটেল অফ কোভিড-19। তো আপনারা প্রথমে সব শুনে নেবেন। ডাক্তারবাবুর বক্তব্য সবার শেষে যখন আমরা প্রশ্ন উত্তর নেব, তখন আপনারা আমাদের যে চ্যাট বক্স আছে সেই চ্যাট বক্সে প্রশ্ন লিখবেন, তার প্রত্যেকটার উত্তর আমরা দেব। কেউ মানে এমনি স্পিকার অন করে বলবেন না, তাহলে ক্যাওস হয়ে যাবে, কেউ শুনতে পাবে না। প্রত্যেকের যা প্রশ্ন আছে সে আপনি চ্যাট বক্সে লিখে পাঠাবেন, আমরা তার উত্তর দেব। তো আমরা এখন শুরু করতে চলেছি আজকের সবচেয়ে গুরুত্বপূর্ণ প্রোগ্রাম। ডাক্তারবাবু, ডক্টর শ্যামল কুমার দাস।
আমি শুরু করতে পারি?
হ্যাঁ, অবশ্যই।
আমি ইংলিশেই শুরু করছি স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, যেভাবে খুশি, আপনার অ্যাজ ইউ লাইক।
Well, to solve a complicated problem successfully, the right strategy is absolutely necessary. First, we have to know clearly, we have to an idea clearly how an individual becomes infected or diseased. If this point is very much clear, then the strategy can be successfully done. So on this issue, the clear conception about this cause of infection or cause of disease is to will have to know. Then only the perfect idea regarding prevention and cure for any infectious or non-infectious disease will be clear. Because virus or bacteria are not the sole cause for any infection or any disease condition. We learn from nature that a suitable environment is needed for something to be born and propagate. So, for any production, a suitable environment is needed first. Here, suitable environment indicates unhealthy state as regards both physical as well as mental of the individual. In this situation, the pathogens reproduce very fast and in a terrible way. What is going on now in case of coronavirus? But one interesting story, I think it is known to all. It should be known to all, everybody. That is Kavi Guru Rabindranath's famous poem. He composed a poem named Juta Avishkar, invention of shoe. I think it is very much relevant with this corona situation. One thing is that poem has two meanings. If someone read it superficially, then it will find amazing. But if someone read it seriously, it is very real and scientific. One thing is very interesting that 120 years ago, the Nobel laureate Kavi Guru Rabindranath had a very beautiful philosophical and scientific view. But another thing also very much interesting. What Kavi Guru Rabindranath was having that very philosophical and scientific view. Now, after 120 years after, our international and national heroes, the scientists, the researchers, the scholars, why they are not getting that very idea today? Where is the problem? I think it is due to secret dealings between the government and multinational companies for promoting their business. It is known to everybody. In case of corona test for everybody, cost only 750 rupees. But the cost is taken from multinational companies is 4,500. So suitable business, so profitable business, I think. Everybody should know. Our heroes, our national heroes, international heroes, why they are so silent? Why they are giving the chance to the multinational companies? It is very much interesting to me. 120 days ago, and after 120 years ago, and after 120 years after, the situation is same. If you see my comparison, sir, will you please show the comparative discussion on the screen? Sir, are you getting me or not? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. We are understanding, sir. Mujahid from Bangladesh.
I know. Sir, are you getting this point or not? The Kavi Guru, the comparative discussion, the slide you can show now, the suitable moment. Sir, are you getting me or not? Mr. Karmakar, any problem?
No. Yeah. Please.
Sir, will you show the slide of comparison with Kavi Guru Rabindranath? Kavi Guru Rabindranath.
Kavi Guru Rabindranath. Okay.
Yeah.
This one?
Yeah, sir. Yes.
Okay.
The first page.
This is first page.
Yes, sir. Sir, it is not shown. I can't see.
You can't see.
Sir, I think
What?
there is some technical problem, no?
But sharing, everybody are seeing.
Oh, but I am not seeing. Sir, I can't see anything on the screen.
গৌতমদা দেখা যাচ্ছে না
দেখা যাচ্ছে না
PDF not opened.
পিডিএফ খুলে
Only file showing this.
Okay.
ফাইল ওপেন নেই
Okay. Wait.
Yes, I can see and hear from Bangladesh, Dr. Sajid. Dr. Sajid from Bangladesh, I can see, sir.
Okay. I can see you. But I think some technical problem.
Just wait.
Okay, sir.
আগে তো ইয়ে করছো না তুমি শোনো
I can see you and I am enjoying your lecture, sir, very much. Please carry on, sir.
But I want to show.
Mr. Sajid, please mute your video and audio.
Yes,
Now see,
sir, partially.
partially. Okay.
Left half, not right half.
গৌতমদা ডান দিকে আইকন শো করছে, সেটাকে অফ করলেই হবে। ডান দিকে
সাইজ
আইকন
ছোট
শো
করতে হবে, সাইজ ছোট করতে হবে।
না, সাইজ ছোট করা যাবে না। সাইজ
করেছি।
ছোট করলে অসুবিধা হবে।
স্যার এই যে পেজের মাঝখানে একটা দেখুন টিক চিহ্ন আছে না আইকনের এই লিস্টটাতে, ওই লিস্টটাতে ক্লিকে চাপ দিন, দেখুন এটা আইকন বাটন অপশন বাটনটা ঢুকে যাবে ভিতরে, শুধু পেজটা ওপেন হবে। হ্যালো, শুনতে পাচ্ছেন?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ।
হ্যালো,
এটা কি? Sir, you try. I continue my lecture.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, it is very much interesting to me when I was thinking on this situation. And yes, sir. Fine and clear. All of you can see the idea of Kavi Guru Rabindranath 120 years ago. The left side and the right side, the idea of international and national heroes, scientists, physician experts. See, very nice comparison I have done with the help of God. So, number one, in the poem, there is a king whose demand is that under any circumstances, dust should not be touched his feet. On the other hand, the current situation, the corona situation, the demand is to make the world free of COVID-19, corona. Second situation, 120 years ago, it was a thought of a king who was foolish and naive. But in this situation, after 120 years, it is an idea derived out of ignorance and stupidity. So nice relevance. You please see. The third item, the king's ministers were given the responsibility to implement the unrealistic idea mentioned above. But here in this corona situation, here too, the experts have been given a similar kind of responsibility. So 100 years ago and after, 120 years ago and after, now after 120 years, no difference with the mentality and thought process. Number 4, in order to solve the problem, various scholars, scientists, and experts are called in to brainstorm together and find a solution. But in corona situation, similarly, in the present situation, various experts are collaborating together in order to find a solution to the global pandemic. Again, 5, the important item. After a lot of brainstorming, the experts, scholars, and scientists came to a conclusion that the best solution would be clean the entire surface of the earth. However, it was seen that the problem increased tenfold. Almost 17.5 lakh brooms were brought. in order to clean the dust. But much to everyone's dismay, it did solve the problem, as the king faced more problems, since the dust caused more irritation to his eyes and mouth. Almost everyone in his kingdom started suffering from severe cold, cough, and fever. The water bodies became polluted, as a result of which all the aquatic animals died, and even the shops had to be closed. It was seen that a lot of money was spent from the treasury behind research and scholars, etc. It was the situation 120 years ago. But now, after 120 years, despite of all the efforts, not even a fraction of the expected result is obtained. On the contrary, human sufferings are increasing by day. There is an increase in the number of victims who are falling prey to the coronavirus, and the death toll has not come to a standstill. It is also increasing day by day. Those who are getting better is only because of their own vitality. Mind it, this very point, what I am telling, those who are getting better is only because of their own vitality, as because today's news, those persons, those victims are, the numbers of death fellows are increasing due to excessive use of antibiotics. And also someone is mentioning that they are dying very easily who have taken hydrochloroquine. So how the person, now the question is that they are demanding, so many persons are become free from that very coronavirus. How it is possible? The modern science is using antibiotics, using hydrochloroquine, but both two medicines, what problem they are creating? The victims are, the numbers of death failures are increasing day by day. So who are becoming free from the coronavirus? Only those persons are having strong vitality, strong vital force, strong immune system. Only they are becoming free. In those cases, the modern science has they cannot claim any their fruitful result for the treatment of modern science. It is only for the individual's vitality. So next we will come to the point again. The quest to find the right medicine for COVID-19 is costing billions of dollars, which has not led to any fruition yet. However, nothing is done for the plight of the migrant workers who are dying in groups. Pregnant mothers are giving birth on the street, and shortly after giving birth are continuing walking with their newborns again. People are crying out of hunger and with no assistance. Inside are being forced to eat wasted food in some parts of the country. In fact, in some video footage of Rajasthan, one person was seen eating rotten meat of a dead dog on the highway. So miserable. People are spending their days in unimaginable misery. The unplanned, inhuman decision of the current leaders, ministers, and experts are responsible for this indescribable misery of the people. Yet, for some unknown reason, people are silently enduring everything. It should be marked. For some unknown reason, people are silently enduring everything. I think they should be protest violently. Then the leaders will understand. As because they are sitting in the ESC room.
হ্যাঁ এবার তোর ফোনটা সামনে নে
Oh, please.
After the debacle, one of the experts suggested that.
এই যে চার নেই তুই এখান থেকেই বল
Please stop.
Suggested that instead of dusting and cleaning the entire surface area of the earth, it should be covered with mat, as this can be considered as one of the preventive measures. Removing dust, it is creating so many problems. So someone suggested use mat, cover the surface with mat. Then will be no problem. So one kind of prevention. What the experts are trying to discover vaccine to prevent coronavirus, like same 120 years ago, and now after 120 years, no difference, basic difference between them. Scientists and medical experts insisted on inventing vaccines because they failed to find out suitable drugs. Prevention is better than cure. They are trying, but God knows when the fruitful medicine will come out. Fruitful vaccine will come out. Again, while other advisors suggested that the king should be kept in close quarters, because by doing so, the dust would not able to touch the king's feet. This is one kind of lockdown. It was the idea of Kavi Guru Rabindranath 120 years ago. If kings keep in closed room, then his feet will not be touched with dust. And now we are also facing the same thing. If you under lockdown, everybody is telling stay in home, and if you stay in home, then coronavirus will not affect. It is a laughing stock, as because someone is telling, government is telling, if you keep social distancing of 2 feet, but experts are telling 20 feet. So what should be done? So I think it is a laughing thing. So we should consider, and I am requesting to the experts, you please clear the situation. Someone is telling social distancing 2 feet is enough. Someone is telling 20 feet is enough. So experts have agreed on the country-wide lockdown to allow the entire human race to be kept under house arrest, because they believe that doing so, the spread of coronavirus, COVID-19, can be prevented. So 120 years ago, and after 120 years, the same idea, unrealistic idea. Again, however, the king said, if I stay at home, the kingdom will be ruined. By this way, in what we are seeing, everyone is aware of how much spread of the virus has been prevented. Since the lockdown was announced, the economic situation of the country has come to a standstill and is moving in the opposite direction. So this is the fruitful result of lockdown. We are improving, but in opposite direction, negative direction. Again, one of the scholars suggested that this time the earth or ground should be covered with leather. Then the king's fame will be immortal. And this time also, competition for vaccine and drug discovery have started in a different countries. Whoever succeeds, his fame will be immortal. Same idea. Hence, the spy of the king set out in his quest to bring the best cobblers from different parts of the kingdom. But now, experts of different therapeutic systems are giving different opinions and making appropriate arguments in favor of their activities and making statements regarding different preventive and curative medicine also, like arsenic, like camphor, like other. Again, almost all cobblers who came from different parts of the kingdom, there was one experienced and aged cobbler who stood out from the crowd as he asked for permission to give a possible solution to the king's problem. He said, if you cover your own feet, then there will be no need to cover the entire surface of the earth. This point, everybody should mind it. Again, I am reading. If you cover your own feet, then there will be no need to cover the entire surface of the earth, and all the problems will be solved. But at present, what is going on? One experienced real homeopathic philosopher, scientist, and physician is asking permission to point out a way. But what will be the minister's and experts' comment is unknown till today. Carrying the cobbler's suggestion, the king said, is the solution so easy? So many renowned scholars and scientists of the kingdom tried so hard, but in vain. The minister said, let the cobbler implement or keep him in jail, because he had given the wrong idea. That is why the cobbler should be kept in jail. Next, the old and experienced cobbler very beautifully covered both the feet of the king with the leather. Then the minister said, I had this in my mind, but it's surprising how this cobbler already knew this point. Please remember, the minister said, that minister told previously that the cobbler should be kept in jail. That minister is now telling, I had this in my mind. So the national and international heroes are like this. Okay. But at present, the experienced real homeopath is saying if the immunity of each and every human being is boosted by following the principles of real homeopathy, then the prevention and cure for the infection of coronavirus COVID-19 is possible within a very short period of time. See, 120 years ago, the idea and today's idea after 120 years, no difference, I think. All of you can understand very easily. If we protect everybody, if we boosted everybody's immunity, so no need to free from virus. One thing also true, in the history of the universe, the virus were the first many crores of years before human being. So they should be destroyed is under imagination. It is only imaginary idea. It is unrealistic idea. So what can be done? Everybody should think with scientific view, as because, and also who has passed this idea, that we have to live, the human race have to live with this coronavirus, as because they should not be destroyed. So there is two options. One option is the natural immunity, that is herd immunity, and the immunity can be boosted with the help of real homeopathy, that is go back procedure of a real homeopathic therapeutic system. Vitality, that is vital force, is upgraded by treating 6 true diseases, by which immunity is boosted and all the problems can be solved very easily and within a short span of time. One thing I want to tell, that other drug besides real homeopathy, those very experts are telling regarding other drugs, but how they help in boosting up the immunity, it is not clear. But my go back procedure has the proper argue with this, how the immunity of an individual can be upgraded, can be boosted. How? Now, all the human beings are diseased with 6 true diseases. How it is known? If you read in homeopathic literature, the chronic disease, page number 143, if you read the organ of medicine, which is called Gita and Bible of homeopathy, Quran of homeopathy, the organon, aphorism 81, there the master Samuel Hahnemann very nicely uttered, and also came, he has uttered this very thing in first chapter, the chronic disease Shora. Both the masters are in a point, they are very same, that we the human being, coming from our ancestors, and from ancestors we have inherited so many genes bearing so many diseases, and in brief, all of us are coming in the earth with 6 true diseases, but we are claiming that we are healthy. How is it possible? When those 2 diseases remain in recessive state, then we claim that we are healthy. But until and unless treated with real homeopathy, today I am healthy. But anytime, any moment, we can be diseased like this coronavirus or anything. One thing I can mention, that is, if I am asked that coronavirus, how we can prevent and we can overcome from this coronavirus. One simple thing I can tell you, that if anybody is advised for viral test without having any fever, the viral test will be negative, but 1:20 positive, 1:80 will be positive, 1:120 may be negative, and so on, negative, negative, negative. But 1:20, 1:80, it is positive. And in this situation also, most problem is with the symptomless coronavirus patient. We are seeing three types of corona patients. One is without symptom but infected with corona. Another two are, one is with corona, infected with coronavirus and with very simple symptom, only fever and sore throat, little bit cough. But another variety is with severe infection with severe symptom. Those who are in critical condition. These three states we are getting, that we are hearing that very corona patient. And I have already mentioned one case. Sir, can you show that very slide? The corona, the latest news. Is it possible? If it is possible, please show the corona, the latest news. Here, I have shown one family of 8 members in Bangladesh, Jashore, was treated by me. One person from China came Bangladesh on 25th of January. He was tested, test result was negative. He was in quarantine of 14 days. After that, first week of February, that very student came his relative's house. Mind it was first week of February, but on 15th of April, severe corona infection started with 7 persons except one, because that very person was continuing Carbobase. That very person was free from coronavirus infection.
Sir, please see it. Is it?
No, sir.
No.
It was the latest.
Another slide.
Another slide. Yes, yes.
Okay.
For the,
Okay.
Yeah.
Just wait.
Corona, the latest news. Okay. Okay. I am telling. Okay. No need. If it is not available easily. Okay. I am telling slowly and slowly. So that very out of 7 was infected. Among them, 4 was with very simple symptom, fever, cough, little bit sore throat. They became cured very short time with a single medicine, the Carbobase. But 3 was in very serious condition, and they require, after Carbobase, Carbanemylase, Suriname, and hydroforminum. But within 15 days, the total family was fully cured without having any residual effect. And also in different situations, in one police station, 6 police officers was infected with corona. And one of my students, this case also, one of my students, Kazi Azam, dealt with that, treated, according to my opinion, my instruction. And another 6 police officers became infected with coronavirus. And one of my students, the Sunil Ghosh, has given carbamazepine. After 3 days, they are tested negative, and they think, but other doctors thought that the report is wrong. After 7 days, again they are tested negative. So I am in a position to demand that real homeopathy can prevent and can cure any serious condition of coronavirus patient if government give me permission, or my students or my followers, they can do it very easily, and they can test it with this real homeopathy. And this real homeopathy has the proper justification, proper argument, how this real homeopathy can all these things, can treat very easily, very peacefully. I think nobody have to die with corona if it is treated following the principles of real homeopathy. If you ask me how it is possible, I can explain. The idea is correct, and it is verified, re-verified, re-verified time and again. Everybody can test it, and more than 50,000 people in India, in Bangladesh, in Washington, in New York, in New Jersey, in Japan, in Nepal, so many persons is tested with this very idea. No any unsuccessful case. Everybody can try. No need to be a homeopath. You may be a layman, you may be a non-technical person, you may be a physician of other therapeutic system, you may be allopath, you may be Ayurveda, you can taste it also. So easy it handle. But proper guideline is needed, as because this medicine in some create adverse situation, and after this we can easily protect it, we can neutral it. So with proper guidelines, following real homeopathy, you of any kind of therapeutic system can test it with confidence. Then you will see no case of failure, no case of failure. But how I can demand this with confidence? Yes, it is with me. If you ask, I can tell you. And you test it. You test it, you prove it that my idea is wrong. I am ready to face all the adverse situations. So my request, please stop this, the death, all this miserable death and the miserable condition of this human race. I am very much, I feel paining that so many people are suffering so much. Lockdown and lockdown and lockdown. if you use this medicine, I can sure if you shake hands with corona patient, no infection will reach to you. Like that very cobbler who beautifully covered the king's feet and no dust touched the legs of the king. And it is very real and scientific. If you cover your feet, no need to remove the dust from the earth. So, if you boost the immunity of an individual, then no need to be feared, no need to be afraid of the coronavirus, no need to lock down, no need to even billions of dollars is spending for invention of vaccines. But vaccine is with me. Please use it and criticize me that my idea is wrong. This very miserable state we can overcome with the guidelines of following the go back procedure of real homeopathic therapeutic system. That very Gautam Sarkar, I am very much grateful to him that he has given me the chance for telling all these things which can be done very easily, and the human race will be free from all this miserable condition. Can you see, can you imagine the rotten meat of a dead dog is taking? In some videos I have seen that the persons throw it out the banana in front of the temple. All those are rotten. But persons are taking all these things for their appetite. It is so paining me. So please, everybody, my earnest request, please do this and save the human race from this miserable condition. Please, please save the miserable humanity. Sir,
is it
up to this? And now you can invite questions regarding my speech. I am ready to give answers for any question. One thing, sir, and that is the first, I have sent you the right at night that the superiority of Carbapenem. Will you please show the superiority of Carbapenem with comparison to arsenicum album, camphor? It will be very suitable example for that. Please. That slide, please. The superiority of Carbapenem.
Okay.
Comparison with arsenicum album, camphor, Bristol album. Not this one, sir.
Okay, wait, just wait.
Wait, sir.
স্যার একটা কথা জিজ্ঞেস করবো?
এখনই নয়, একটুখানি স্যার।
আচ্ছা, থ্যাংক ইউ স্যার।
এই স্লাইডটা আসতে দিন, তারপরেই আমি শুরু করব আপনাদের কোশ্চেনের উত্তর দিতে।
আচ্ছা।
And I am ready to give any answers for any questions.
Thank you, sir.
My idea.
Yes, sir. My idea. No, sir.
No,
it
okay.
was the
Okay.
question was the supremacy of Carbapenem.
Okay.
Supremacy of Carbapenem.
Disease and results.
The first papers I have sent to you. So, sorry, superiority, sir, superiority.
Yes.
This one. Superiority of Carbapenem and comparison with arsenicum album, Bristol album, camphor. The superiority, sir.
Okay.
It is very effective and reasonable.
practical utility and
No, sir, no, sir. Superiority, sir, superiority. This thing I have sent, you have remarked. It is beautiful what you have remarked on that day.
Okay.
Okay.
Superiority of Carbophase and completion of ourselves and
A comparison with arsenic album, Camp and Vietnam album. I have done it with lot of efforts. We have written fantastic. Seeing this paper.
Sir, yeah, you have sent me 5 scanned copy.
Sir, ekdom first night. When after a rehearsal. Just after rehearsal. I have sent it and you passed a remark. Fantastic. That one.
Mailbox mail ही दिएছিলেন না?
No, sir, WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. Okay.
Hafiz.
Got it.
Yes, sir. Thanks a lot.
Yes.
Thanks a lot, sir. See, you see, so why many persons, the technical persons are asking me frequently, why I am mentioning carbo-vegetables. And that is why one of my teachers, the retired director of National Institute of Homeopathy, Dr. Abhijit Chatterjee, first asked me the question, why are you mentioning this carbophase? Why you are not mentioning arsenic album, camphor and Vietnam album? They are so nearer in relation. But I have seen, when I have tried so many books I have consulted, from there, you please see, carbophase from Helsinki notes, persons who have never fully recovered from exhausting effects of some previous illness, bad effects of long injury. Again, for the bad effects of exhausting disease, again, cachectic person whose vitality has become weakened or exhausted. One thing I must mention, that we, the human being, the human race, even Kant has mentioned in his philosophy, the human race is diseased with chronic one. No one is free from that very chronic disease. So as we are, sir, wait, sir, wait. As we are diseased from beginning, better to say we are diseased from mother's womb, but not so-called disease. We are behaving like a healthy person. Like this, we have no disease. But no individual is without disease. Everybody is diseased. Someone was with predominant state. Someone is with of recessive state. But disease must be there. And as we are not coming from sky, as we are not falling from sky, we have come from our parents, and our parents also come from their parents. They also come from their parents. Like this. So I often tell, my age is 62. No, my age is 62 crores, as because I am carrying the genes of so many ancestors. And that very gene also bearing so many true diseases. When it is recessive, we claim I am healthy, but it is not. So we are injured from our ancestors before coming here. We never the perfectly healthy until and unless treated with real homeopathy. See, from pocket manual of homeopathic mathematica by William Burrick, persons who have never fully recovered from the effect of some previous illness. If you think about this, what we have gained the true diseases from our ancestors, we never treated regarding all these things. When we go to the physician of any therapeutic system, including classical homeopath also, we tell them, sir, give me the medicine for having some fever, cold, cough or pain or anything, gas, acidity, like all these things. The physician will ask regarding all these things, causation, location, causation, sensation, modality, concomitance, desire, aversion. After this, he will prescribe one medicine. Other pathy, they also observe all these things, ask all these questions regarding the problem of the patient and will give the prescription. But they never think why this person come with this little simple cold cough. Why? Why and why? And that is why the prescription is superficial. Like Kane, a converted homeopath from America, James Tyler Kane, nicely mentioned even the valuable instruction prescribing for the results of the disease, causes changes in the results of disease, but not in the sickness, except to hurry its progress. We can all see today the person is very much healthy, strong and stout. Once problem the person has to face, someone is insulted in one occasion. After this, that very individual was having severe headache after this insultation, and physician was called and medicine was prescribed. But no problem previously, only this insulting remark caused within him severe headache. I have told that very person was very much healthy, strong and stout. He always claimed, I never take any medicine as because I am perfectly healthy. So no doctor is needed. And laughing with the diseased one, you are a person taking medicine today and tomorrow. What are you doing? You be with like this. See, look at me, what I am. That very strong and stout person got severe headache after insulting remark. So please think. And after that, so many problems he had with him, as because in his family history, his father had snake bite, his grandmother had CA uterus, or carcinoma of the uterus. His mother has difficulty in breathing. His son is affected with severe pneumonia at the age of 9 days. So it is very clear, I think so. Everybody is clear with me that nobody is perfectly healthy. Those who are claiming healthy, the health is relatively healthy. Nobody is absolutely healthy. It is impossible until and unless treated with real homeopathy. So it is not for, it is for anybody. That person may be a physician of other therapeutic system. It is valid for everybody, each and everybody. nobody of us is perfectly healthy. As we are not perfectly healthy,